When it comes to tackling projects in low light conditions, having reliable illumination is essential. The best cordless work light provides powerful brightness, long battery life, and versatile positioning, making any workspace safer and more productive without restrictions. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The DEWALT 20V Work Light. The DEWALT 20V Work Light is a reliable and versatile tool designed for both professional job sites and home projects. Equipped with 4 bright LEDs, it illuminates dark work areas efficiently, ensuring clear visibility in even the most challenging environments. The light offers 2 brightness settings, allowing users to choose between maximum illumination for detailed work or a lower setting to conserve battery life and extend runtime. Its 90-degree pivoting head provides flexibility to direct light exactly where it's needed, while the pivoting design also enables hands-free operation when placed on a flat surface. With the ability to project light up to 508 yards, it offers impressive coverage for a compact unit. Built to withstand the rigors of a job site, the overmolded lens cover adds durability and protects surfaces from scratches. Additionally, the integrated belt hook enhances portability and allows for easy hanging in multiple positions, making it convenient to move around the workspace. Overall, this DEWALT 20V work light combines brightness, durability, and flexibility, making it an essential tool for anyone needing dependable illumination on the go. Number 2. Zetunlo 21,000 Lumen Work Light. The Zetunlo 21,000 Lumen Work Light is an extremely powerful LED solution designed to replace traditional halogen lights while offering energy efficiency and superior brightness. With 72 high-efficiency LED beats per head, this light delivers 21,000 lumens of bright, natural white illumination at 6500K, making it suitable for a wide range of work conditions. The light is mounted on a 78.7-inch telescoping tripod that folds for easy transport or storage and can be adjusted to various heights to match different tasks. Its detachable design allows the heads to be used independently, on the floor or hanging, providing versatile lighting options. Installation is tool-free, with rotating knobs and locking collars that make adjustments quick and easy. The light head rotates 360 degrees horizontally and 180 degrees vertically, allowing precise targeting without moving the tripod. Constructed from die-cast aluminum with tempered glass lenses, it is durable, weather-resistant, and safe for extended use. The tripod is stable, and the 16-foot power cord ensures flexibility across larger spaces. Number 3. DEWALT 20V LED Work Light. The DEWALT 20V LED Work Light is a compact and versatile illumination solution for job sites, workshops, and outdoor projects. It features 3 bright LEDs that provide ample light for dark work areas, with high and low brightness settings of 1,000 and 300 lumens, allowing users to balance light output with battery life. The light's 140-degree pivoting head adds flexibility to direct illumination exactly where it is needed, while the built-in telescoping and 360-degree rotating hook allows it to be hung from a variety of surfaces for hands-free operation. Constructed for durability, it includes an overmolded lens cover that protects the LEDs and surfaces from damage, ensuring long-lasting performance even under heavy use. The unit is also compatible with an optional belt hook accessory, increasing portability and ease of transport. Lightweight, yet robust, this rechargeable work light provides reliable illumination without compromising mobility or convenience. Its combination of multiple brightness settings, adjustable head, and hanging options make it ideal for tasks that require precise lighting, whether indoors or outdoors. But DEWALT 20V LED work light delivers dependable performance for a variety of applications. Number 4. PARTPHONER 6500K Work Light. The PARTPHONER 6500K Work Light is a highly versatile rechargeable LED light designed for long-duration use in both indoor and outdoor environments.
Powered by an 8Ah high-capacity battery, it provides up to 20 hours of runtime on low brightness, making it perfect for extended projects or outdoor activities. Charging is simple via the included USB-C port and Type-C cable, offering convenience and portability. This work light features a detachable telescoping tripod made from durable aluminum, which extends from 32 to 67 inches, allowing height adjustments to suit various tasks. The light itself is also detachable, with a magnetic base and hangable hook for versatile positioning in multiple settings. It offers three brightness modes: 500, 1500, and 2500 lumens, combined with two color temperatures, 4000K and 6500K, allowing users to select neutral cool or daylight white illumination based on their needs. Number 5. OGERY 10,000 mAh work light. The OGERY 10,000 mAh work light is a versatile and portable lighting solution ideal for camping, outdoor activities, or job sites. Powered by a high-capacity 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides up to 22 hours of runtime on low brightness, ensuring long-lasting illumination. The light also doubles as a power bank through its USB-C and Type-C ports, allowing you to charge phones, laptops, or other devices on the go. One of its key features is the adjustable triple LED heads, which rotate 180 degrees vertically and 270 degrees horizontally, offering flexible lighting coverage up to 1,000 square meters. This work light includes 5 lighting modes: white light, 6500K, warm light, 3500K, warm white, 4500K, spotlight, 8300K, and strobe, each with multiple brightness levels, providing versatility for various tasks and environments. Its design combines portability, adaptability, and power, making it suitable for outdoor adventures, emergency situations, and general workspace illumination. With quick recharge times of 7 to 8 hours and user-friendly indicator lights, the OGERY 10,000 mAh work light is an efficient, multifunctional, and indispensable tool for reliable illumination anywhere. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.